Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to update Telegram. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Then after over here you can see in settings there is no option of update. So go back, go to Play Store, there search for manage app and devices. There you can see updates available. Tap on it. You can see that Telegram is not there for updates. All the updates have been done, so there is no requirement of updating. It's up to date. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.